Howdy, partner and partneresses. All right, I've been watching some, let's see, is it 1923 and 1883? That's the prequels, is that what it's called? The Origin of Yellowstone. I'm a big Taylor Sheridan fan. He's written just about every movie I love, from Wind River, Hell or High Water, Tulsa King. Oh, man, I could watch that. And you know, it's funny, I've never seen Yellowstone yet because I've watched everything else Taylor Sheridan has written. Okay, I'm setting Yellowstone aside because there's a lot of seasons there. That's an effort. But just a personal recommendation. Is it 1883? Hopefully I'm getting that right. And 1923. Both of those series should almost be required for high school and even folks almost 60 years old, showing kind of what happened in the wild, wild west. I'm in Utah. Okay, I'm right in the wild, wild west where all the wild stuff happened. Okay, now I was born in the 60s, so most things in Utah had mellowed out a little bit because we had like Donnie and Marie. They were like, well, there's two, Donnie and Marie. Man, they were hellraisers, right? But anyway, man, I am just, I'm excited. Why? It's Christmas in a couple days. Okay, so why not have a little bit of celebration, maybe visit some friends, family members you don't even like, just pretend. Oh, good to see you, Bob. I hope I don't have to see him again for a year. Or do you have like a Aunt Gertrude who talks about her feet hurting and her back in the traffic? You have one of those? Okay, good. Okay, I have homework for you. This is going to be simple. All you got to do is just go to joincory.com. Okay, I'm going to make this video a couple minutes. I want you to go to joincory.com and just look up Live Good, check out the website, look at the capture page, the video, and everything else, and just make a decision. Are you in or out? Okay, that's your assignment. Then I'm going to make a couple of videos right after. So joincory.com and watch the 6-minute video, and then come back and let's have some fun and talk about Taylor Sheridan. How about Sicario? That movie's pretty cool too. Okay, guys. All right, thanks for putting up with me and watching my videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and get a hold of me. Come on now. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Thanks, guys. Okay, talk to you in a little bit. Bye.